Welcome to my Chanel Natural Cures. 1. Horsetail. Horsetail is a perennial herbaceous plant, and it is a small-sized plant with the stem similar to the shape of a horse's tail, and reaches a height of 20 to 50 centimeters, and is also called gilt, fennel, or horsetail, or as a field dirt. This herb is considered valuable high health and therapeutic, because it contains silicelic acid, silicones, silica, and many important substances and elements useful to humans. 2 benefits of ponytails for hair. Despite the many benefits of horsetail herb as we mentioned earlier, it promotes hair growth and nourishment, and gets rid of dandruff in the scalp, by massaging the scalp with a mixture of a few drops of horsetail extract, and 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil or oil olive, reduce baldness, hair loss and loss, by drinking this herb soaked, and rinsing hair with it, as horsetail stimulates blood circulation in the scalp very effectively. 3 benefits of horsetail. This herb has many benefits, including limiting the growth of cells and cancerous tumors, and fighting free radicals and toxins in the body, because horsetail contains a large number of antioxidants. Fighting allergies, swelling and infections facing the body. Preventing the growth of microbes, bacteria, germs, and harmful substances in the body, and fighting Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, Klebsiella, Subunism, and Salmonella. Strengthening bones, preventing osteoporosis and thinning, because it contains calcium in a large way. Treating and recovering boils and carrots effectively and quickly, by applying compresses of soaked horsetail to the affected area. Reducing the breakage and cracking of nails, by putting the nails in the ponytail soaked for a period of no less than 10 minutes, and continuing this more than once a week until recovery. Treating bronchitis, persistent coughing and stuffy nose, by inhaling soaked horsetail steam twice a day until recovery. Reducing inflammation, fungi and swelling of the fingers and toes very effectively, as well as treating athlete's foot, frostbite, and problems resulting from frost, such as swelling, redness, pimples, and persistent itching. Rapidly reducing and lowering blood sugar level in diabetics, as it takes effect an hour after taking it, but it is advised not to take it for more than 8 days unless after consulting a doctor. Treatment of sore throat and tonsillitis, gingivitis and bleeding gums, and mouth ulcers, through gargling and rinsing the herb soaked for 3 minutes until recovery. Getting rid of constipation naturally, softening the stomach, facilitating the process of excretion and expelling waste from the body, relieving soreness and pain of hemorrhoids. Eliminate kidney stones, and break them up, especially uric acid stones. Treating infections of the bladder and urinary tract, and getting rid of the problem of urinary tuberculosis by sitting in the soaked horsetail herb for a period of not less than 10 minutes. Skin care, rid of acne, pimples, itching, sunburn and reduce signs of aging, like wrinkles, fine lines on the face. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.